Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your contact details into your DocuSign account. Click your account on the upper right, then click on Manage Profile. You'll see that it opens up a new window. Scroll down on your profile section. Here you have contact information. Click on Update and go ahead and enter whatever. So I'm going to enter the company information. So let's say the company information is Drew Tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Then the job title would be, I'm going to just say educator, for example. The address could be whatever it is, right? So I'm going to just type in address. I'm going to leave the city. I'm going to just type city as an address. Postal code, I'm going to type 1234 as an example. Country, I'm going to change the country to, let's see what we can add here. I'm going to choose, where is, I'm gonna use Jamaica as that's where I'm originally from. Well, even though I'm currently living in Europe, but I'm gonna add the phone number as well. I'm gonna just type 123 and just add some numbers there and then click and save. And you're gonna see right now that it adds my contact details here. So this is would be my contact information. And that's it. At any point in time you want to make changes to this, just simply follow the steps, come back here, click on update, and you'll be able to modify your contact information and click and save afterwards. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.